In this video, we will introduce you to the Simulcation Desktop Application. After launching the application, the customer uses their unique username and password to log into the app. Next, the customer selects their specific education sponsor and lesson content. Now, the lesson's simulated data center is streamed from our cloud servers. Okay. Allow me to introduce you to Louise, your data center assistant. That is her, in the lower left corner. Louise, take it away.
Hi. My name is Louise. I am your helpful data center assistant. Press my OK button to continue. I will teach you about simulation and how to play and succeed in a lesson. But first, to forward my messages, always use my OK button. To see a list of instructions in any location, select the speech bubble at lower right with the exclamation point mark. You can close that window using the X in the upper right corner. About this data center, you'll notice it looks full, but in fact, the back 3 rows are what we call colocation racks. These are racks that are rented out. Your company's operational components are in the frontmost row. Can I bring your attention to all the green red dots above? These red dots represent each component type and how well each type is functioning. Notice all is green. This means your operational data center is well balanced. Click on the router readout now. It will show you how much router bandwidth is being generated, as well as how much is being utilized in your data center. Let's have a look inside one of your operational racks. In the frontmost row, select a rack. Click on it, then when it turns orange, choose the Select button. You will then see the rack close up. Use the Data Center button to navigate back to here. Now, look at a rack component close up. Select a rack, choose Select for the close-up, then click on the component in the rack. When it turns orange, choose the Select button. Then a 3D close-up view of the component with options on the side will appear. Each lesson in Simulation has a learning objective in which I will help you to understand and even help solve real data center issues. A lesson also has a virtual coins target that must be achieved. Passing the lesson demonstrates the learning objective has also been successful. To check your progress towards your goal in any lesson, select the green flag below at lower right. This window provides an overview of the lesson objective, the number of virtual coins earned so far, and the amount of time you have left to achieve the virtual coins objective. Now, let's have a look at some other parts of our business. In the upper left corner, select the back button. This will take you to the navigation screen. To get back here, select the middle room of the 3 rooms, the one that looks like a miniature version of the data center. Let's check out what's going on with the CEO of our business. Use the back button to see the navigation view. Now click on the top room. To get back here, select the back button again, and then the middle data center room. Very good, now have a look at the room again. This time select the View Profit and Loss button. On the profit and loss statement, notice a total revenue, retail store. There is no revenue. Let me help you change this. You will be able to improve your company's revenue by adding some cash registers in your retail space. To do so, use the back button, then in the navigation view select the lowermost room. Click on one of the lower shopping stalls at the top of the darker gray area. You will then see a purchase dialog appear. Select Purchase. In upcoming lessons, we will teach you how to use Simulcation in building your first data center and introduce you to IBM support services. Excellent. Now this lesson is soon timing out. I recommend you play the next lesson. It is called Basic Skills, an Introduction to Electricity. We will complete an operational data center together. See you again soon.
Fantastic, Louise. Thank you. Now you have had a brief introduction to the elements of the application. The Simulation Learning Platform is an interactive service that provides educators and learners involved with data center operations information, tools, and resources to support and enhance their professional objectives. You can learn more on the web at www.simulcation.com.